Syntagma Square is not only located in the core of Greece's capital city, but it is also a significant historical public space. Due to the fact that Athenians rose up against King Otto of Greece in 1843, demanding a constitution, Syntagma Square is also referred to as Constitution Square. This war memorial, located in Syntagma Square near the Hellenic Parliament building, is dedicated to Greek soldiers who died in battle. F-zone soldiers dressed in traditional uniform guard the tomb. The changing of the guard every hour is a must-see. It's a bit cloudy today, guys, so we decided to visit the Benaki Museum.
It's a bit of the modern art of Greece.
Yes.
Immersed in modern, more cultural activities.
The Benaki Museum houses Greek artwork dating from prehistoric to present times, a sizable collection of Asian art, hosts sporadic exhibitions, and keeps a cutting-edge workshop for conservation and restoration work. We are on our way to the viewing platform of the Lycabettus hill. You have two options here, guys. Either you walk from the base of this hill or take an elevator. We're so brave, so we will do the walking. So from here you could see almost everything that we've visited in Athens. Parthenon, Panathenaic Stadium, the Temple of Zeus,
You can find our
Syntagma, our accommodation. Aside from the breathtaking views, Lycabettus Hill is home to the picturesque Chapel of St. George, a small cafe, a lavish restaurant, and the famous open-air theater. There's a legend that surrounds this hill when, in a fit of rage, Athena threw the massive rock she was carrying, and the hill of Lycabettus was formed exactly where it fell. We're done with our visit. I could tell you guys that if it's sunny, it's the best place to, or maybe one of the best places to see the sunset. It's a bit cloudy today, but we've been here already when it was super sunny, and it's really lovely, right?
One of the spots to see, to visit.
Don't miss the Plaka street. It's a vibrant street here where you can find souvenirs and
Everything you want.
lovely restaurants. Plaka is arguably Athens' most recognizable neighborhood and one of Europe's oldest. It stretches just below Acropolis Hill and is very popular with both visitors and locals. And of course, guys, you don't want to miss this bustling area right in the heart of the city, where you could find an Orthodox church, a mosque, and right there, that's the metro. This area shows the three layers of the history of Athens. What you see behind me, guys, is the Choragic monument of Lysicrates, which is known as the first use of Corinthian order on the exterior of a building. Zappeion Hall is a massive palatial structure and one of the most well-known modern landmarks in Athens, used for official and private meetings and events. The Zappeion was used during the 1896 Summer Olympics as the main fencing hall. Here, in May 1979, was when the official paperwork establishing Greece's membership in the European Community was signed. This arch was built by Athenians as a tribute to Roman Emperor Hadrian for his numerous contributions to the city of Athens during his rule. The Hadrian Wall also served as a partition between Hadrian's new city and old Athens. I just got the ticket to visit the temple of Olympian Zeus. I'm visiting this place in November and the ticket price is €4. Take note that if you visit this place in summer, the price might be different. I don't know if you could see the Acropolis behind me. We will visit that place a bit later. The temple of the Olympian Zeus was pillaged by a barbarian invasion not long after it was finished in the 2nd century AD. Even though only 15 of the original columns remain, its majesty and size are easily recognized. The construction of the temple of the Olympian Zeus began in the 6th century BC. It was intended to be the greatest temple in the ancient world, built to honor Zeus. When completed, it was one of the largest ancient temples ever built, with 104 unusually tall columns, each 17.25 meters tall. I am done with my visit, guys. Here in this place, if you want to visit this one, 30 minutes I think is enough if you are into, take picture and go. But if you want to feel the vibe of the place, sit a bit, listen to the sounds of the birds, and I saw a turtle actually, 45 to an hour is good enough, I think. Hey guys, I am now at the Panathenaic Stadium, which was constructed in the 4th century BC and was originally used for athletic events and competitions. It was fully restored in 1896 for the first modern Olympics, and since then it became a popular tourist destination and a place for major events. Like today, when I bought my ticket, the guy from the ticketing office told us that we are not allowed to visit the tracks because I think they're doing something in there. This huge place can accommodate up to 70,000 spectators. is a historic stadium that has hosted numerous major events. First and foremost, it dates from 330 BC. Herodotus Atticus reconstructed it in marble in 144 AD. It hosted the opening and closing ceremonies of the first modern Olympics in 1896. It was then used as an Olympic venue in 2004, and lastly, it is the location of the Athens Classic Marathon's finish line. Do you see that poster behind me, guys? It suddenly reminded me of my first international trip with my choir, and we performed inside the Sydney Opera House as part of the drum-up celebrations of the Sydney Olympic Games in 2000.